Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to fix any bug in Instagram Threads app. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So the first thing that you always do, just go to the Play Store if you are using Android, and just go to the Apple App Store if you are using iPhone. Okay, and search for Threads application and keep your Threads application up to date, because when you update your Threads application, most of the time it will fix all of the bugs. Okay, and if still this doesn't help, just go to the apps and notifications and search for the Threads app here. Okay, so I will just search for Threads and go to the storage and cache and just clear the cache of this application, and it should fix all the problems. And the last thing that you can try is you can just uninstall this Threads application and try to reinstall it back, and it should fix all the problems as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.